Can I fit all of this in a 2021 Hyundai Elantra? Find out if it'll fit the fam.
I'm Mr. Bram. These are my 3 kids. Join us as we journey to find the best sedan to fit the fam.
New, fresh, fast. It's not really what you expect from the underdog brand in Hyundai, but that's my thoughts as I check out the brand new Elantra. Now, this is an all new for 2021 sedan, and it shows. It's got a brand unifying front fascia that they're putting in all future designs, and they've even made it larger with additional legroom and hip room, even in the back. And the design, even for a compact car, I think it's gorgeous. Now, for the infant seat, there is some issues if you have a larger handle. I had to swing my carrier in order to clear the handle on the top. Once in there, there's a good amount of space for this compact, and I was able to sit comfortably. Now, my wife liked the really low roof line, but she's also almost 6 inches shorter than me, so it's understandable. Now, speaking of comfort, if you like to shop for cars from the comfort of your home, make sure that you like and subscribe to the Fit the Fam channel. Now, I don't get paid to do these reviews, so your likes and subs are what keep this channel going. Now, my daughter is 4 foot 6 inches, and I didn't feel like she had to watch her head in order to get in. Now, we chose to use the Diono, and surprisingly, with a little bit of effort on her part, she was able to get the belt buckled. Now, even at only 50.5 inches, the space between the belt and the buckle worked really well. Now, do you have a favorite car seat? Comment below and let us know how old your kiddos are and how it all works for them. Now, as previously mentioned, the hip room is only about 50.5 inches, but somehow my Diono Radiant RXTs fit very well. And my kids were able to get in comfortably, and with 38 inches of legroom, they seem to fit well. Now, the front seats do have a plastic insert, but just in the center. So if you have a taller kiddo in the center section, they may get shoe prints all over the sides of the seat. Have you been wondering why I'm standing here filming next to a lake talking about cars? Well, the Brams have begun to RV full-time, and that's why I'm over here at Lake Tawakoni in Texas. And make sure you follow us on all the socials under Fit the Fam Travels and check out our experience in full-timing RVing and also reviews while we're out on the road. Now, moving on to the trunk of the Elantra, the cargo area is large enough for me to stick our stroller in without any issue. And you can release it from either the key fob or a button on the trunk. Now, once in there, there's plenty of room around the sides, and I was very comfortable putting all of our gear in there. Hyundai has done an amazing job with the Elantra, making it look stylish and not just some econo box that runs around town. It's big enough to fit your entire family, while still small enough to get great gas mileage. And they've even added great design touches, like the front dashboard that's multiple screens and wraps around. You do have to kind of be okay with piano black for your interior. So make sure you keep a microfiber towel sitting around to wipe down all those surfaces often. They've done an amazing job with the electronics and even added cool little features in the seats, just make it look more stylish and fun to drive around. If you're in the market for a compact sedan and you've been looking at the Civics or the Corollas, make sure you check out the Elantra. It even comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, which you really can't beat.
I want to thank Earnhardt Hyundai for loaning us the vehicle for today's review. Earnhardt Hyundai is a customer-focused 5-star dealership. Check them out at earnhardthyundai.com for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. And don't forget to mention Fit the Fam for the best deal.
I have no clue if there's ants running up my leg right now. We'll find out.